Mr. S.N. Prashant Chandra, Editor-in-Chief, Vakeela Vaahini, to accompany our Chief Justice to the dais. M. Negalur, may I request you to kindly accompany our former Chief Minister, Shri Veerappa Moily, to the dais.
A warm evening to one and all present. Pranamami Gananayakam Varadayakam Vinambra Shritajana Vignanashakam Pranamami Gananayakam.
I now invite Dr. D.M. Hegde, Editor and Publisher, Vakeela Vaahini.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲಿನ ಹಿರಿಯರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಹಿರಿಯರೇ, ಕಿರಿಯರೇ, ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ತಾಯಂದಿರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ವಕೀಲರ ವಾಹಿನಿ ಮಾಸಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಕನಸುಗಳು ನನಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಕೀಲ ವಿಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು
Request our Honorable Chief Justice of Karnataka and other dignitaries to light the lamp.
Shri Veerappa Moily, former Chief Minister, and all the dignitaries on the dais and the invitees. A group of like-minded advocates with decades of standing in the bar dreamed about starting a monthly magazine. The COVID-19 pandemic lockdown rest gave us the momentum. Vakeela Vaahini, a bilingual monthly, released its first issue in August 2021. The then Chief Minister, Shri Basuraj Bommai, released the magazine on 24th August 2021. And today, it is releasing its 29th monthly issue. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹುಶಃ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 3 ವಕೀಲರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಅದು ಸಹ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಇವತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೇ ಗಂಟೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 89 ವರ್ಷಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ 90 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾದಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ B.V. ಆಚಾರ್ಯವರ ಬರ್ಡೇ 20th. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ವಕೀಲ ವಿಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆನಂದಿಸಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಹಾರ್ನಳ್ಳಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ B.V. ಆಚಾರ್ಯರವರ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಜೀವನದ ಒಂದು ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. I have been given a very tough task of summarizing the achievements of Acharya over a period of 90 years within a few minutes. Maybe about 40 years ago, more than 40 years ago, I joined his office. And I do not remember a single time when Acharya has lost his cool. A man, gentleman to the core. ಇವರ ತಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಪಂಡಿತರು. ಇವರು ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಆಕಸ್ಮಿಕವೇ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇವರು ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಾಧಕರು ಲಭಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ವಿಧಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದವರು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಉಂಟಾಯಿತು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ತನಕ ಹೋದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಭೀಷ್ಮ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಚಾರ್ಯರು. ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರು, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರು, ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದಂಥ ಅವರ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಜೀವನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಜಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ನೋಡಿ ಬಂದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಚಾರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾರೋ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ರೇರರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾರಲ್ ಕರೇಜ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ರೇವರಿ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ರೇರರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾರಲ್ ಕರೇಜ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ರೇವರಿ. 1,000 men will march. 1,000 men will march to the mouth of the cannon, where one man will dare espouse an unpopular cause. True courage and manhood come from the consciousness of the right attitude towards the world, the faith in one's purpose, and the sufficiency of one's own approval as a justification of one's own acts. ಅಂಥ ಯಾರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿ ವಿ ಆಚಾರ್ಯರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅನುಮಾನವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅವರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆಗೂ ಸಹ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯವರಾದಂಥ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಅವರು, ಮಗ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀನಾರಾಯಣ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ, ಆತನು ಹಿರಿಯ ವಕೀಲ, ಪುಷ್ಪ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು ಸಹ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆಲ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಆಚಾರ್ಯರ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ವಕೀಲರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಸಾಲಿಸಿಟರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆದಂಥ ಕೆ ಎಮ್ ನಟರಾಜ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂದೇಶ್ ಚೌಟ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಶ್ ರಾವ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೂ ಅನೇಕ ವಕೀಲರು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಚಾರ್ಯರ ಕಾನೂನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಾರದು. ಇದು ಕೊನೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಚಾರ್ಯರ 100ನೇ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ ಆದ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೂ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, sir. Can we now request our Honorable Chief Justice to release the December edition of Vakeela Vaahini? The December edition of Vakeela Vaahini is dedicated to the Advivya Acharya as an advocate and as a person. ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಾಗಿರುವ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಹಿರಿಯ ವಕೀಲರಾಗಿರುವ ತಾವು 5 ಬಾರಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿಯೂ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುವುದು ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ. 66 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ನೆರವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ದೇಶದ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಅನುಪಮ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತಾ 2023ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ವಕೀಲ ವಿಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಲು ಹರ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಸಂಪಾದಕರು, ವಕೀಲರ ವಾಹಿನಿ, ಉದಯ ಹೊಳ್ಳ, ಹಿರಿಯ ನ್ಯಾಯವಾದಿಗಳು, ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಅಭಿನಂದನಾ ಸಮಿತಿ, ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಎಂ ನೆಗಲೂರ್, ವಕೀಲರ ವಾಹಿನಿ.
Sir, for we judges, you are Nyaya Bhushan, sir. Allow me to say that, sir. Esteemed brother Justice Shri Chandrasekhar ji, former Judge, High Court of Karnataka. Esteemed sister and brother judges present here. Shri Veerappaji Moili, former Chief Minister, Government of Karnataka. Shri Bharat Kumar, Registrar General, Honorable Dr. B.V. Acharya, sir, learned Senior Advocate, former Advocate General of Karnataka, Madam Srimati Acharya, and as we say, behind every successful man, there is a woman. I have no doubt Madam Acharya must be a driving force behind Acharya, sir. Thank you, you being master of ceremony, conducted this ceremony so articulately. Good evening. With an immense honor and pride, as the Chief Justice, Karnataka High Court, it is a great pleasure to witness this momentous award conferring function. We gather here shaping not only the discourse of our legal community. The Vakeela Vibhushanaward Award, which is conferred on Shri B.V. Acharya, holds a special place in our hearts and minds as it represents the highest recognition accorded to legal luminaries who have, through their state. Today, we shine a spotlight on Dr. B.V. Acharya, a stalwart in the legal profession whose achievements of Bangalore Advocates Association in literary work is commendable. A good advocate is he who has sufficient command, is a true role model, not only for the advocate community, but also for us judges and judicial officers of the judiciary. Senior advocate Dr. B.V. Acharya's journey in the legal arena is not merely a chronicle of professional success. It is a narrative of dedication, passion, and steadfast commitment to the principles that form the bedrock of our legal system. As we confer the Vakeela Vibhushanaward Award upon him, we celebrate not just an individual, but the embodiment of the values that define the spirit of justice. To Vakeela Vaahini, I express my appreciation for being torchbearer of legal journalism, guiding us through complex terrain of legal matters with diligence and commitment. May this celebration of legal excellence and journalistic integrity inspire us all to strive for a legal system that upholds the principles of justice, fairness, and equality. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Your Lordship's words are always warm and heartfelt. It's ever encouraging to the legal fraternity. We extend our warm welcome to our Advocate General, Shashikaran Shetty.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಮಾನ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರೇ, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸುಂದರ ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದಂಥ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಪಿ ವರಾಲೆಯವರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದು ನಿಜವಾದ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ನಲ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಆಚಾರ್ಯರಾದಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ವಿ ಆಚಾರ್ಯವರೇ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಆಚಾರ್ಯರವರೇ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ವೆಂಚ್ಡ್ unless the last drop of the tear is wiped from the eyes of the last man in the society. He came for that. That is how I am inspired to fight further. He encouraged me to fight for justice. B.B. Acharya, that's what is said already by Harnadi Ramaswamy and many others, is a man of highest integrity when it comes to the professionalism. Karnataka government appointed B.V. Acharya as the special public prosecutor, known for his fairness, thoroughness, and rectitude. In his distinguished career at the bar, Acharya was Advocate General for 5 terms and handled several crucial cases. This is how you can find that B.V. Acharya has been an outstanding prosecutor, outstanding advocate, a man of greatest integrity. So that is how, that's why I don't want to anything more, because his and my relationship is quite emotional, because many other things I may say, but I don't want to take more time. ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ, ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Shri Shashikaran Shetty to kindly speak a few words to grace this occasion.
Vakeela Vaahini had done a commendable job for the past several years, getting out their publications, inviting all the lawyers, getting all the latest judgments. It's become like a motivation for all the lawyers and an inspiration, learning about all the lawyers in the field of law, so that they can read, learn, and aspire to be like one of those lawyers against whose articles have been written and spoken about. I congratulate Vakeela Vaahini for coming up with this editions after edition, nearly 42 editions which have come about till date. Speaking about Shri B.V. Acharya is a true Acharya himself. The name fits in. Even though I was not his junior, I have not worked under him. I had the benefit of briefing him in several matters and learning a lot from him. In fact, he is a self-made man who came from Udupi right from scratch as a public prosecutor, district lawyer, then shifting over to Bangalore, working, as Mr. Veerup Moily said, from land reforms matters to various fields. He's been part of various commissions and 5 times Advocate General. I'm just 48. He has finished 66 years in the bar, out of which nearly 33 years as a senior advocate. So I don't want to say much. Thank you once again on this.
Shri Justice Prasanna B. Varale, our former beloved Chief Minister and Union Minister Shri Veerappa Moily, Shri Uday Hollaji, today's President of the function, Shri K. Shashikaran Shetty, Advocate General, Shri Vivek Subbareddy, Senior Advocate and President of Bangalore Advocates Association, my friend and admirer and Senior Advocate and son of a great legal luminary, Harnalli Ramaswamy's son, Shri Ashok Harnalli, Shri D.M. Hegde, Mr. Prashant Chandra, and more than anything else, Dr. B.V. Acharya, the center point of today's felicitation. Honorable Shri Justice Santosh Hegde, Honorable Sitting Judges Shri Justice Prabhakar Shastri, Rajesh Rai, Shri Punacha and Shri Arvind, former Judge Shri Anand Baira Reddy, designated senior advocates, members of the family of Shri B.V. Acharya, learned advocates, distinguished invitees and guests. I have nothing to say new except to add few things. As a lawyer, as a judge of the trial court, I had seen Mr. B.V. Acharya in great action. It was a very, very highly contested and I can say it was a very sensational case argued before me. Though it was sensation in the sense that the family of a high-level politician was involved. The matter was nothing but whether the matter pertains to per se defamatory. He came and argued, I granted an ex parte order of temporary injunction as a newly recruited district judge working as the City Civil Court, 17th City Civil Court judge at Bangalore. The next day, there was an editorial in Indian Express. The newly recruited district judge who acts as a munsif in the City Civil Court should not have ventured to injunct a well-researched book on corruption. I wish B.V. Acharya and his family members long life, good health, all prosperity and energy to continue to guide the bar. Thank you.
Further enlightening us with one more dimension of Dr. B.V. Acharya's life. Now I request our President, Advocates Association, Shri Vivek Subbareddy, for a few words. Sir, I emphasize few words.
Really, sir. All dignitaries on dais, Shri B.V. Acharya, sir. All dignitaries in the audience and advocates. I think one of the greatest things we saw in Shri B.V. Acharya as a youngster, when we were youngsters, was his art of persuasion. He used to make any argument a winnable argument, a difficult argument also a winnable argument. And it is like Greek sophistry, where they said, say what you will, I will prove it to be untrue. He had that great ability, very effective, soft, and aggressive also. These are his final traits as a great counsel, which will inspire youngsters. I think that Shri B.V. Acharya at the age of 90 represents a wonderful generation of lawyers, and that is moving on to the next generation. A generation where they stood by principles and worked very hard. And from a book age, an age of books where everything had to be read, digested, consolidated, evaluated, and then rendered before the court, to an age of computers where everything is now at the flick of a button. This is the age that Sri B.V. Acharya, the transition age that he represents. Unlike various persons were referring to Acharya, unlike Dronacharya, who was on the wrong side of Dharma, Sri B.V. Acharya against Jayalalitha stood on the right side of Dharma. We salute you, sir. Thank you very much.
To the moment most awaited, can I now request Dr. B.V. Acharya to tell us in his own words?
The Chief Justice, Justice P.B. Varale, President of the function, Sri Uday Holla, Sri Veerappa Moily, and all other dignitaries on the dais, respected Justice N. Santosh Hegde, all the learned judges, sitting judges from the High Court, and Justice Anand Bera Reddy, former judge of the High Court of Karnataka, for whom I have great admiration. I am very happy to see him here today. Then Sri Prabhuling Namadgi, former Advocate General, Sri Kantaraj, all the senior advocates, my advocate friends, respected invitees, ladies and gentlemen. In the last 1.5 hours, you have heard everybody was praising me for so many things. I was very happy, naturally. But today I am happier still because all this praise was in the immediate presence of my wife. Therefore, it has given me a lot of satisfaction. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank Vakeela Vaahini entire team, and in particular Sri Prashant Chandra and Dr. D.M. Hegde, who have taken so much pain to arrange this function in such a grand manner. I am very grateful to you. One great thing about this function is Vakeela Vaahini has been able to get together so many great personalities in the field of law, almost all in the state, and they are led by none other than the Honorable Chief Justice, that is the head of the judiciary in the state. Therefore, it's a matter of great pleasure for me. Please see Justice N. Santosh Hegde and all the judges of the High Court have all attended the function. Justice A.V. Chandrasekhar also. And then the other dignitaries on the diet, the learned Advocate General, who represents the state, Sri Vivek Subbareddy, president of the biggest bar association in the whole country, Bangalore Advocates Association, and Sri Veerappa Moily, a rare personality who was the state law minister, who was the union law minister, and above all, a great literary figure, not only as a lawyer, but a literary figure who got even the Saraswati Award for the famous epic which he has written. And now, as he said very shortly, the book will be published, Bharatiya Nyaya Shastra, containing about 500 and odd pages. I am glad that the Honorable Chief Justice is here, not only as a Chief Justice, generally the State Chief Justice is from outside the state. But to our luck, we have a Chief Justice who has openly, other day in the International Lawyers Convention, he declared, I am not only the son of Karnataka because he was born in Nippani in Karnataka, but I am also the son-in-law of Karnataka because I have married the daughter of Sri K.H. Ranganath, who, it's a coincidence, was a cabinet minister in the ministry of Sri Veerappa Moily. Therefore, the presence of our Chief Justice is a matter of great significance for me. So far as Sri Veerappa Moily is concerned, as he said, our association is for more than 55 years. In fact, exactly it is in 1968, he took me to Karkala to appear in a case on behalf of a tenant. I and Sri Moily together appeared in that case, and in those days and even thereafter, he was appearing only for the tenants, and we conducted the case. Thereafter, our association was continuous. Actually, we were family friends, and it was my luck that when he became the law minister, in the very first cabinet meeting, usually the first item is appointment of Advocate General, and they usually say, we leave it to the Chief Minister.
There is a lawyer in US who has completed 97 years and still going strong. And I'm sure Sri B.V. Acharya will beat him and continue till 100 years, and we will have that celebration. Oh, sorry. Yes, Palakkad. Sorry. No, in the US also there is one person who has completed 100 years and continuing. But Palakkad, he is complete. In India, 97 years is the highest, but I'm sure B.V. Acharya will beat him, and we all wish him that. And he'll be an inspiration to us in future as well. Thank you very much.
Honorable Chief Justice, may I request the team of Vakeela Vaahini to felicitate our Chief Justice with a memento.
ಶ್ರೀ ವೀರಪ್ಪ ಮೊಯ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಶ್ರೀ ಶಶಿಕಿರಣ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, Justice Anand Bhaira Reddy avaru.
I extend wholehearted gratefulness to our Chief Justice, Honorable Prasanna Varaleji. Thank you, sir, for the appreciation bestowed on senior and on the special mention of his simplicity and humility. And we also thank you for having inaugurated the magazine which is totally dedicated to him. Central attraction of today, Senior Advocate and former Advocate General on 5 occasions, Vakeela Vibhushanaward 2023, Shri Dr. B.V. Acharya, who has been a role model for all the advocates in Karnataka. Thank you so much, sir, for being a beacon and an inspiration for all of us. You have been an icon who has demonstrated that what sheer hard work and humility can do to transcend a lawyer to a role model. And finally, sincere thanks to all the guests assembled here, former and sitting judges of the High Court, the Assistant and Deputy Solicitor Generals of India, Arvind Kamath, Shanti Bhushan, State Public Prosecutor Belliyappa, family members, relatives, and print and electronic media, we thank you all for being here today. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Through your words, we got to know